trying to get the computer. It's just a little too far. You're gonna have to crawl for it. You're gonna have to crawl for it. You're gonna put on that awesome hat that GD got you to match your shirt. You're gonna match your shirt. Oh, I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in the picture. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. You like this hat. You like the hat. What the fuck? Bounce away, bounce away. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh, you're gonna try to play with it. Oh no. No, don't do that. Crazy. You're so crazy. There you go. You're so handsome without the hat, but we like the hat. It's nice and fluffy, isn't it?